guys, welcome in and or welcome back to my channel, Home with Christy T. I'm Christy T, and as you guys know already, I have moved into a new house and now it's time for some home decor hauls and all the fun things that come associated to that. If you haven't already, I highly recommend you go over and watch the first video where I take you guys through a tour of my house, my new house, and then come back to this video. So let's get started. So before we get started on today's home decor haul, I would like to mention that I still do not have furniture. So you may have an echo throughout the video, but just something to note is that there's nothing in here to catch the sound or for the sound to kind of be softened by because it's an empty house. So let's get into today's home decor haul. I have so much to show you guys and I'm super excited about it. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below because there are more of these videos kind of coming and lots more DIYs and all the room makeovers that you can ever imagine. So let's get into it. All right, so you're gonna love me for this because I don't know if I just didn't know it or what, maybe because I was living in Japan, I didn't know this existed, but stop what you're doing, pause the video, or continue to watch the video, take it with you, run to Walmart because I picked these 2 4-packs of pampas, large stem, long stem pampas up from Walmart for $6 each. $6 each. Yes, it might be like $6 and some change, but these 2 packs were $6 each. And there's 4 stems in each one, and that's a really great deal. I remember being in Japan and paying like $10 for 2 stems in 1 pack. So stop what you're doing, head over to Walmart and pick up 2 packs of pampas stems or however many you need. They're perfect for decor, creating wreaths, and especially since it's the fall season, I highly recommend that you go over and check. Now, while I was at home, how can I say this? Is gonna sound so confusing. While I was at home, I went to the at-home store. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. It's literally called at home. But I was back in my hometown. That's the best way to put it. I was back in my hometown and we have an at-home there. So I did pick up a few things from that. And first is a little funnel cap. I picked up a really nice lamp in Japan that I got from a thrift store. You guys have maybe seen it or not. If not, you'll see it once. You'll see it soon. Just to put this on top because it had a silver one and obviously silver doesn't go with my decor. So I just picked up a little gold funnel cap so I can put on top of that once that does arrive. The second thing that I picked up from the at-home store, which I'm in love with because I remember seeing something similar to this on Crate & Barrel or CB2, and this was the inspiration for a piece of art I did in my home actually. And the rug that was on Crate & Barrel looked exactly like this one, but bigger, but I found this one. The other 2 things I did pick up from at home besides a few vases that I'm not sure where they are at the moment in the pile are these pack of incandescent globe light bulbs. Now I had some similar on my patio in Japan. If you haven't watched my patio makeover video, I highly recommend go check it out. But they had these on sale. They were regularly $12, I think. And they were $7 a pack, and there's 40 count in each one. So I picked up 2 of these. I'm either gonna use them on my back porch or on my front porch, which we have in our new house. And I haven't decided yet, but these were on sale. So I think they're still on sale if you wanna go catch them for yourself. Is another at-home bag. So this is the next item that I got from at home. It is a beautiful ceramic vase. You can put plants in here or anything like that. But when I picked it up, it was 50% off. This is also 50% off. I think these are 50% off because they're part of their summer collection. Now this one does have a plug in the bottom, so if I did actually want to put a plant in here, I could. For drainage, quick story time, because you know it's not a video if I don't give you guys a quick little story time. When I was at home, the at-home store, I found this really pretty lamp. I'll insert a picture of what that looks like, that I really loved, and it was $69.99. I do love that home store because you can buy things in multiples. So if you need multiple in one item, you can get multiple in one item. That's one reason I really love going there. And their variety of stuff is really nice. But this lamp that I wanted was $69.99. So I was like, a bit pricey. Checked those down, it was $59.99. I was like, still a little bit more than I want to pay for a lamp. I kid you not, I walk into TJ Maxx in another state, and guess what I find? The lamps. Same day I found the lamp, I found this beautiful vase. As you can see, it has that beautiful vivid texture on it, and it's in this black, like matte color, and it is ceramic. And this one, not sure where it was made in. It says made in China, so it's nothing really special. But it was only $9.99, which I thought was a really great price. Now this piece is also, honestly, this feels like Christmas because I'm unwrapping stuff after it's been 2-ish weeks since I brought everything, and I haven't like opened it since I brought it. So it's kind of like Christmas and I'm unwrapping stuff for the first time. This piece is from TJ Maxx as well. I saw it, I really like the shape of it, and like the whole body image, positivity is something I'm really about. This was also only $7.99. If you guys could see my floor right now, it's covered in packaging paper and top shelf bags and at-home bags. And I saw this piece and I was like, okay, if I don't get anything else today, I'm getting this. And because I've really been wanting this since I've seen it on like Pinterest and Instagram and stuff. It's just literally one of those like sculptural candle holders. And it has 2 tiers. It was $12.99, which I think is a pretty decent price. So you can imagine this in the basket with some candles, and it's fall and it's cozy, and it's, yeah, I can see it. I can see it. I'm ready. I'm so ready. All right, moving on to Pop Shelf. So we pretty much just did at home in TJ Maxx and Walmart. With the things I've shown you so far, but now we're gonna go into Pop Shelf. So I picked these up. Now these were regularly $20, and these are from a new store that I found called Pop Shelf. They have them in my hometown. They have them in Mississippi. I'm not sure where else they are, but I highly recommend you check out them right now, especially because all of their summer stuff is on sale, 70% off. Not sponsored, but if Pop Shelf, you want to sponsor me, hit me up. I wouldn't mind. All right, so, oh my gosh, my earring's missing. So this is the store that I told you about. One, they give you these really nice bags. Like, you don't have to pay for them extra or anything like that. Obviously, make sure you're gonna recycle these. But they have a really great sale going on, and they have really beautiful home decor, seasonal decor, office things. It felt like a Big Lots, but smaller. I think I showed you the lanterns from Pop Shop already. I also picked up this set of, I don't know if they're metal or what, but they're definitely coated to have this wood texture, because you can hear that. I don't know what that's made of. Also from Pop Shelf, just count these next at least 5-10 minutes, 5 or so minutes Pop Shelf items. Items for our office, which as you guys know already is going to be a pink office. If you haven't checked out my Barbie core pink items video, I highly recommend you go over and check it out. There are items I'm going to be including in my office. My office is going to be pink and Barbie themed. So I've been picking up a lot of unique pieces for that. And this being one of them, it's just like a really cool pink rainbow upside down arch, and it's sitting on like this gold metal base. And I thought this would be really cool to style on some shelves in my office. This one is from Pop Shop. So this one was part of their summer sale. You can see a central theme here on what I like. The colors I like, the textures I like, rib texture, all of that, the shapes. So this was on sale, 70% off of $5. And it's just really pretty. It's like a little pedestal bowl. You can use it for plants if you wanted to. It's actually similar to the white one I have from at home, except that it has this rib texture on it. Anywho, so these items are like organization and storage use-wise for my kitchen. Obviously an egg container and a little dish scrubbing brush. These weren't a part of the summer sale. I just paid regular price, but they were still pretty cheap. So also at Pop Shelf, you're gonna get tired of hearing me saying that because I really love that store. I picked up this doormat slash runner slash whatever rug from Pop Shelf. It was $6. but I think it was also part of their clearance sale. Now, also from Top Shelf, I picked up this little tray. It's like a little rattan tray. You can style it on an ottoman, you can use it outside, on a counter, whatever. It was part of their 70% off sale. It was originally $15. Obviously, I'm gonna style this up with some books, some candles, and all. The next item is from Top Shelf again. Count how many times I've said Top Shelf in this video. Comment that down below. I want to know because I'm not keeping track, but I know I've said it a lot. This next thing is a really great find that I found there. It was part of their 70% off summer sale, and I picked up 2 of them. They were originally $25, and they came up stands. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. It is these very large plastic lanterns. They have it where you can puncture the hole out of the bottom, or you can leave them closed or whatever. I haven't decided exactly whether I'm gonna put these on my front porch or not, or how I'm gonna use them, but I know that I have to get our garden together, our front porch, our back porch. So I'm not sure where I'm gonna put them yet, but I got 2 of them in white, and I haven't decided if I'm gonna DIY them, maybe a different color or add some texture to them. Of course, it's more items from Top Shelf. I found this actually just the other day when I picked up that last orange vase. They had this, it was part of their sale, which I didn't see in the first Top Shelf that I went into. And it's kind of just like a little coat rack, hat hanging situation. But wait, there's more. I have a whole other bag full of Top Shelf stuff, so I'm kind of gonna run through this quickly so that this video doesn't get too long. So guys, yes, like I said, I really just kind of went a little bit overboard, especially in this Top Shelf store. As you can see, I picked up even more items, including this blue vase, which obviously I'm going to spray paint. I also picked up this cute little rainbow, which I actually conveniently found at the Dollar Tree as well, so the prices were similar. I also picked up this little bit of distressed vase. I'm thinking that'd be perfect for outdoors. And this, I thought it was a vase, but y'all, it's a candlestick. It's a candlestick holder. So fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice. Yep, you guessed it. You guessed it. Guess what? Made them same mistakes the second time, guys. This is also a candle holder. I thought this was a vase. It's not. I also picked up this cute little bookshelf, like bookend to hold all my books together, but obviously we're gonna be spray painting that if I don't use it in my office. We don't do till in the whole house. And then finally was this cute little vase that I got from my office, guys. I'm so excited for my pink office and I cannot wait. I don't know what she's saying, but let's just get back. These last few items are from Target. Now this is from Target. It is a set of 2 candle holders, which I thought would be really pretty for fall and for year round, just because it has the gold accent. When I arrived home to the States, the first store that I got to visit was Target, and that is because I've always loved Target's dollar spots. Once again, not sponsored, but Target, if you want to sponsor me, by all means. I really love their dollar spot, or whatever you want to call it, red dot section, I'm not sure. But they have some super cute fall finds and just home decor in general. And this is one of the pieces that I picked up from there. It's a really pretty ceramic vase. It is in this beautiful olive green color, which I thought would be perfect for fall. And the last item that I picked up before my camera dies is this little ceramic vase from Target as well, from the dollar spot. It's just a little cream vase, perfect for fall and or year round. Alright guys, so that is going to be all for today's video. I have so much more things that I've been buying for our home and so much more left to buy, so stay tuned for more hauls. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like this and what you're most excited for to see in this new exploration into our new home and all the DIYs. Comment down below the videos that you want to see, and I will see you guys in next week's video.